Welcome to Shady Lane Farm, a equine facility in Yorktown Heights. We are going to demonstrate the Sterile Bright ultraviolet and ozone technology for sanitizing stalls and outdoor areas, including transportation vehicles. This is a convenient unit, lightweight, weighing less than 20 pounds, that can be carried to any point that needs sanitizing in your facility. My name is Philip Gotthelf. I am the Managing Director of Ultratech Lighting, the manufacturers of this technology. So let's get started. The performance of any ultraviolet sanitizing equipment can be verified with a dosimeter card that measures the amount of ultraviolet energy. As you can see, the card has a starting color representing no ultraviolet exposure at the top. When exposed to UV energy, the yellow box changes color and will match the labeled energy levels at the bottom. For extra verification that a sufficient level has been reached to deactivate certain diseases like equine herpes virus 1 or EHV1, a check mark will appear within the box. Sterile Bright has joined forces with Intellego, the patent holders on this specific dosimeter technology, to create a card unique to the animal venues, which include horse stables, kennels, animal hospitals, and veterinary facilities. This card lists common diseases like EHV1, parvo, staph, kennel cough, and distempers, with associated UV energy levels necessary for deactivation. The Sterile Bright unit is a full-range ultraviolet ozone generator capable of neutralizing bacteria, viruses, fungi, and spores, including EHV1 without chemicals. It is energy efficient and cost effective. With a life cycle exceeding 100,000 hours, the unit can operate continuously for 11 years at 24 hours by 365 days. For this demonstration, I'm going to place a dosimeter card on one of the walls in a typical 12 by 12 stall, just like this. Then we want to ensure that the Sterile Bright unit is placed basically in the center of the stall to give exposure to all of the four walls and of course sanitize the ceiling too. The UltraBright technology also generates ultraviolet A and B, which is capable of penetrating surfaces such as bedding, including sawdust and straw. Once the unit and the card are in place, we can step outside the stall and activate the unit with the remote control switch. You can see the unit is on by the increase in the light level. We have started the timer for 5 minutes. The sanitation process for a 12 by 12 stall is only 3 to 5 minutes for most pathogens, including equine herpes virus. As mentioned, the Sterile Bright unit also generates ozone, which is germicidal and a deodorizing gas. Ozone has the added advantage of reducing pests like lice, dust mite, fleas, ticks, and even horseflies when they're in their larvae state. You will see the yellow control square has turned one of the colors of the outer perimeter, representing 25 millijoules per centimeter squared. This tells us that any threat of infectious pathogens has been eliminated from the air and surfaces of the 12 by 12 standard stall. Each time a new animal enters the stall, it's appropriate to use this procedure. You can also use this procedure just for general sanitizing, avoiding the use of chemicals, and keeping the animals safe and happy. Since the Sterile Bright unit is lightweight and portable, it can be transferred to any venue to sanitize any stall where your horse may be located. It can even be used to sanitize transport vehicles. Anytime you're using a new transportation vehicle, you can sanitize it with your Sterile Bright unit to make sure that it's free of pathogens for the next animals. Well, I want to thank you for watching, and if you're interested in an in-person demonstration or more information, you can contact us at 201-784-1233 or drop us an email at info@ultratechlighting.com. info@ultratechlighting.com.